Hello and welcome to the side of the highway. But this is not why we are here. If you were to continue about a mile down the road, you would be at the beginning of Ocean Boulevard, city of Myrtle Beach proper. But right now, we are at the Mountain Bike Skills Park. I just had to say that in an extreme way to emphasize. If you are a biking enthusiast, mountain bike specifically, this is kind of a cool place. Let's take a walk around and try not to get too wet. And check this place out, because this place is kind of awesome. Again, it is very wet out here, so you might not want to be biking after a rain event. Don't ride when, man, 2 times in a row. Don't ride when wet. Like I just said, it's a little wet out here. Helmet required. So you can see there's a super elevation right here for you to bike around. We'll walk through the course, see what there is to see. Basics in trail etiquette. You are responsible for your own safety. No golf carts. So don't be trying to go crazy with your golf cart around here. That would be hilarious. Anyway. Do not ride when wet. Alright, well, let's take a walk around. I'm not on a bicycle myself, so I suppose I'm not breaking any rules at the moment. Jeez. We're not joking, it does get a little wet around here. So there's a couple of interesting skill tests here. Got a little balancing act there, which I find funny that it's right next to a giant puddle. So if you fail, it will be epic. Looks like we've got rough terrain over here. It's kind of cool. We've got these, what are we going to call these? A double roller, according to this sign. Difficulty, difficult. I think that looks pretty fun myself. I like how they kept this tree right in the middle. That's a nice touch. Let's look back where we came from. You can see it's a good size park. Oh, I didn't even realize it goes further back. All right, let's keep on going. Let's check this out. We'll return to this lift here, but you can see there's a mound of dirt here, super elevation for you to zip your bike around. Very cool. Looks like a teeter-totter down at the end there. And a little bridge, footbridge. Couple of mounds here. Another, maybe call this a balancing act. It's pretty wide, not too difficult. So you can see over there a little teeter-totter. You go up one side, down the other. Very cool, very cool. This is hidden, in case you don't know, behind Market Common. Market Common's right over there. The Welcome to Myrtle Beach sign from the Surfside side is right over there. And the Harley shop, which you saw earlier, is on the other side of those trees. So we're on the border of Surfside and Myrtle Beach. This is kind of tucked away. It doesn't have a proper parking lot, if you're wondering how to access this. There is what I'd call a maintenance road over there by the entrance where we came in. Not an official parking lot or anything, but there is a fairly decent bike path that runs along the highway that actually goes through the state park right there. That pathway right there is a multi-purpose path, so you can use that. As you can see here, some people have traversed through the trees. And the state park's right over there on the other side of the highway. The Myrtle Beach State Park, that is. Oh, there we go. Went down without breaking my neck. Good job. Oh, this looks awesome. Got a couple of mounds here. Go up and down, get some air time. Oh, I almost had some air time there. I slipped a little bit. Sorry if this video is a little bumpy. I am just walking around with my phone today. Looks like this gentleman's going to be coming into the park. Hi, biker dude. Or maybe not. I think he's just passing by. Wrong way. So we're not allowed to go that way. So there is a rhyme or reason to the direction of these skill tests. Clockwise around the track. That's what it seems. Berm wall. Difficult. Whew. You gotta have a good bit of speed to make your way around that bad boy. That is a pretty significant angle, as you can see. Anyway. So yeah, if you are looking for a place to go all out on a mountain bike, this is it. And when you're done here, you could go to the state park right across the street, right over there. And they've got a lot more trails in that direction. Well, I was going to go this way, but it's a little wet. Make my way around the other side. So if you're looking for a place to test your skills, this is it. They've also got a water bottle refill station and a pump to pump your tires. Would you look at that? That's awesome. We've also got a hanger in order to hang your bike to do any repairs that are necessary. And check this out. They've even got tools for the task. Everything you need to replace a tire or tighten up whatever you need to tighten up. Very, very cool. I appreciate elements like that being integrated into a site like this. It really shows you that they thought about it. They thought it through. They understand who the user is and what they're going to need. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick, well, not quick. Hope you enjoyed this video, this walkthrough of the skills park. Maybe someday I'll come out here when it's nicer weather, warmer, and get some footage of some of the people who use this park, because based on the elements in the park, I bet you it is super impressive when they're actually out here zipping around the track. It's also a very long park, woodland park, or woodland path, I'm sorry, with the old Air Force Base logo on there, that heads down that way. As most of you probably know, what I'm looking at now was the old Air Force Base housing. Whole video on that where I drove around, showed it, talked about it. That's the neighborhood right there. That's the old Air Force Base housing. All right, everybody. I'm gonna head on out. And until next time, everybody, take it easy.